What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we are coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing update. Back on site just before the holidays from the world's largest wildlife crossing. There's been a lot of activity here, so there's going to be a lot to check out, a lot of updates all across the board, and a lot is going to be happening with the bridge that will be covering Agora Road, servicing the 101 here. And with the weather taking a turn for the worse this week, we're going to hope that it clears up and that they don't get hammered too bad with all that rainfall coming. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot, who loves himself a good wildlife crossing. Oh, there you go, bud. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Super chat, super thanks. Thumbs up the video, comment on the video for better, for worse. All that goes a long way with keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that decent December content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.